I'm on my way to sell my truck. It's like a bittersweet moment because, I've had this truck for 2 years, but it's been in my family since I was, 10. We bought it brand new back in 2005, and it's just been in our family. I remember just taking this to Tennessee, and we used to take this truck for like road trips. And like one thing that was really cool about this truck was the rear entertainment system, where I could control and have my own radio in the back. And I thought it was really cool because I could listen to my own little radio station in the back, and I had like my own little world back there. And we've had this truck for 10 years, over 10 years, like 11, 12 years, and getting ready to sell it now. Like I just built this this year too, like put the lift and wheels this year, and spent a lot of money and time. Alright y'all, he's the new owner of this truck. I am following him right now so he can drop off his rental car, and he has a long drive back to Mississippi with my truck. Right, guys, I just sold my truck to Cole right here. So he's dropping me off. He's the new owner. Follow him on Instagram. Make sure he doesn't abuse my truck. All right.
Cole_Casio 2015.